channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela. If you like the video and you like what you see, be sure to stick around and subscribe for new videos. We would love to have y'all join a part of our little family. And in today's video, I have a really exciting unboxing for you guys. I ordered some stuff from D&Co. I have not ordered from them before, but I'm really excited about it. If you guys have seen any of the Stitch Fix videos on my channel, they're pretty similar in the fact that they do like the box styling situation. So the fee is the same. Stitch Fix is $20, D&Co is $20 as well. But the difference is D&Co caters to plus size women. So this is for all my plus size guys out there. I was really excited about this. I've seen ads for D&Co on like Instagram and Facebook, but I really didn't know what it was. This is not sponsored, by the way. I ordered this myself. I paid about $20. So you can do their regular box or their active box, which I thought was really interesting. I really would be interested to try their active box the next time, but I got the regular box this time just to kind of get a feel and see how I like the service. But I'm really excited about it just because I feel like sometimes I'm just not 100% a fan of Stitch Fix, which I have a Stitch Fix box over there that I'm going to unbox as well in another video. So I feel like I have a hard time with Stitch Fix really finding stuff that I like, but I feel like because a brand kind of carries to my sizing, my body type, things like that, I feel like maybe this will be a lot better. Like, I have really high hopes. I think it was the purple tape. I think the purple tape did it. So yeah, if y'all are interested in, you can't unbox it, but you can unbox it with me. If y'all are interested in seeing me unboxing this and seeing how everything fits and how I liked it, because I'm going to do a try on haul, then y'all just keep watching. So it comes with a little bag, just like the Stitch Fix box does. And what is this? This is my paperwork. It's actually super, honestly, I'm gonna pull out the shipping label out of that, or not the shipping label, but you know the little label they gave you that tells you the price of everything? I'm gonna pull that out and see what it looks like, just because I'm really interested, because I feel like this looks exactly like the one from Stitch Fix. This is just a letter from my stylist. So you have the letter from your stylist, you have the little thing that has all the prices on it, and that comes in this cute little envelope. So I mean, the packaging is really cute. So this is what everything looks like. You can't see it, but there's like a little D&Co sticker in the middle, and everything's wrapped up. And I have high hopes. I see florals. I did ask for patterns because I'm trying to get out of my solid grays and my blacks and my whites and my like burgundies and my blush. You know, your girl has her blush, but you know what I mean? Just the really everyday basic colors I always wear. I feel like I'm a very solids kind of gal, and I'm trying to break out of that and maybe try some different things. So that's why I really love services like Stitch Fix and can't think of the name now, D&Co, because you just get to try stuff that you wouldn't pick for yourself. Like, that's always my thing about it. Stuff that I would not pick up off the rack. Somebody else is like, here girl, no, you need this. And I get to try it at home and see if I like it. But anyway, let's open it up. So the first thing here is ironically burgundy, but I love burgundy. And this is so cute. Okay, see, ooh, I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. So this is in a size 2X. It is just like a literal, like a plain burgundy top, nothing special, but it's that really nice, if you've ever tried like a Maurice's t-shirt, like that really soft stretchy fabric, that's what this is. But it just has like a really cute detail down the side. Can you see that? It just has this really simple detail down the sleeve, which I love. I was trying to get a burgundy, so y'all know I love burgundy. Well, actually, I don't know if this is more burgundy or maroon. I don't know. The little berry colors, I love those. Let me see how much this was. Yes, the slip says burgundy, so it's burgundy. And this was $29, which if you use a $20 credit, then that's $9. So top number one, there are good things and there are bad things. I'm not gonna necessarily keep this just because it's not like the top itself is not tight, but it's that, because it's, you know, it's roomies, but it's that material that kind of clings and it kind of sticks to that line on the jeans, and I just really hate that. I don't like that look. That's not my look. Now the detail on the side, of course, is so super cute, and that's what I really loved about it. But like I said, it just hugs kind of well, because then you can, you know, see all this back here and what's going on around there. I do love the way that it curves. It has the curved hem. I absolutely love the curved hem. It's like my favorite thing. I think it is just a super flattering cut, and I love the color. I always love burgundy on me. I just think it looks really good in my hair color and my skin color. So side note, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it just because, again, I don't like the way this really sits on top of jeans and stuff. So, oh, there's jewelry. I want to open this first. This was underneath the shirt that I just picked up. Let's see. Oh, it's packaged so nicely, y'all. Like, it's so nice. I mean, that's probably not the nicest thing in the world, but I don't know. I just thought that was really cute the way it's packaged. Mixed metals. Okay. Very cute. Like, you can't tell this is, or if you can't tell, this is silver and gold. I really like this. Let me see how much this is. I love a statement necklace, y'all. Like, I love a statement necklace. This is $29, which I think is ridiculous for a necklace, not gonna lie. Ridiculous. I would never pay $29 for a necklace. Me, I just wouldn't. That's just the way I roll. But if you are gonna buy something from the box and you're gonna use the $20 credit, It's then just $9, which I feel like is a little bit more reasonable. What's the brand? I don't know if Tana River is like a brand or like a really nice brand, but I'm like, that's kind of expensive for a necklace. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's a beautiful necklace. I really like this. This is something I would wear. I love mixed metal necklaces because then I can kind of wear it with whatever. Like, the simpler the better, but don't know. $29 is a little much. And at the same token, I'm trying not to be that person because this year, I'm trying not to spend so much on fast fashion, like, you know, Forever 21, stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, I still love those places, and I think that they're good for like trendy pieces that you're not gonna keep forever. But when it comes to basics like this and your jeans and really nice like tops, I would feel like it makes more sense to invest in them a little bit more so you can have them longer. So I'm trying not to be so snobby. You know, like $29 ridiculous for a necklace, but like if I can wear this necklace forever, it just depends. So we'll see. So on to this top. I'm confused. Oh wait, no, I'm not. Keep saying. I just keep saying because I'm like you're just sitting there, you're like I don't know. I did it again. It's just, I don't know if this is necessarily my style. It does have like an underpiece in it, so it's not see-through at all, and you wouldn't have to wear an undershirt because it's not see-through right there. I just don't know about the cut. The bottom is super flowy, which I really do like. The same with the sleeves. They kind of have the bell sleeve detail coming on, which y'all know I love me a good detail on the sleeve, whether it's a bell sleeve or whatever else sleeve, cap sleeve, ruffle sleeve, whatever sleeve. I love me a good sleeve. So I will give this a chance when I try it on, but I will say I don't have high hopes for this. And this one this is the Marita bell sleeve blouse, and this was $69. So top number 2, I actually love this a lot more than I did coming out of the box. I love the sleeves. Like I said, your girl loves a good bell sleeve. It just makes me feel flowy and fabulous, and I love it. I love the cut. It, like, honestly, it just stops at the perfect place. Like, it is, I don't know, you know when you just have a shirt that has the cut that just stops at the perfect place? It's not too high, it's not too long, you know, I really love that. But my only problem is that I think D&Co lets you exchange sizes. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that they do. It's too small for me in my chest with tops like this. I usually have to size up because of my chest, and it's very, like, restricting right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's just, there's no, I don't know if you can see I'm trying to pull, I can't. There's no really give right there, so that's probably my only qualm. But I really like it. The pattern back here is kind of weird. Something's going on back there, but I mean, other than that, I think it's a really pretty shirt. Really perfect for going into spring. It's got like the navy, but just with a little bit of a pop of color, so I really like this one. Okay, next, I believe this is another top. I believe this is the brand Leota. Never heard of that. Oh, Leota exclusively for D&Co. Oh wait, this is a dress. Okay, that's cute. So it's, what is this, cheetah print? I don't know, some animal print. And it's kind of like a ribbed material almost. And then it just flows out into like a skater skirt. So it's a little skater dress, very simple, very nice. Let's see how much that is. This is $89. I will say, I don't think $89 is an outrageous price to pay for a dress, depending on the dress. This is like a casual dress. This is not like a nicer dress. You know what I mean? This is not a nicer dress. This is probably not a dress I will wear for years to come. It's like a casual cheetah print dress. Like, I'm gonna try it on, but I would probably say I would not pay $89 for this, just because I'm not gonna wear this all the time, especially with a print like this. Like, I mean, it's a nice print. I do want to get into prints, like I said, but I'm not gonna wear this all the time. It's a casual skater skirt dress. I'm not gonna wear this like 57 times if like I'm not gonna get my $89 out of it. Do you know what I mean? So I have lots of opinions about this dress, okay? So my first thing is, this is too much cheetah for me. Yes, I was looking for a pattern, but I feel like this is a lot. I feel like I belong on like the Flintstones. Like, I don't know, I just really don't like the way it looks. It's just not my cheetah, leopard, whatever this is. I don't know, whatever animal. Not my favorite thing in the world. I also feel like I was expecting a little more shape from where it just at the waist right here, and it doesn't really give me that. I kind of just am not a big fan of the way that it looks. I feel like I look a little, you know, moo-moo-ish, like a sleeveless moo-moo kind of look. That's not really what I'm going for. So for $89, definitely wouldn't keep it if I'm not like absolutely 110% in love with it. And it again comes down to practicability as well. If I'm going to pay that much for a dress, it's going to need to be something that I can wear, you know, in several different ways, and something that I can wear often. And this just isn't it. Now, like a cheetah print, like a cardigan or a blazer or something like that is something you can pair with different things and change out and be really versatile with, but like the dress itself to me is not. So yeah, definitely not my favorite. Don't think it makes me don't think it makes me look really great. I feel like I'm being really negative. I'm not trying to be. I'm just trying to be like straight but honest with you guys. Like, this is what I would keep, this is what I wouldn't, and this is why. So I'm really trying to give y'all a detailed, like, I was saying experience, that's not the word, explanation of my reasoning behind everything. Now, this is a pair of jeans. These feel really nice to begin with. What brand are these? Morgan and Walker. I've never heard of that. These are size 18. I don't like them those. The girl packed on some holiday calories, some holiday pounds, so we'll see. But they are really nice looking. Like, these are a really nice looking jean. They're stretchy at the waist, which I love. I have to have a stretchy waist. Now, I don't like the ones that don't have buttons. They're just kind of like pajama jeans is what I think of. I don't like those, but these are super stretchy at the waist, which I love. And these were, let's see, these were $69. I would just like to mark that these jeans were less than the top, or the dress, I mean, the cheetah print dress. So yeah, I would definitely be willing to pay $69 with, if I did get them and use the credit, then it would be $49. So I always got to keep the credit in mind. And in terms of these jeans, they actually fit pretty perfectly. I'm really liking them. They are a tad bit long. I don't know if you guys can tell, they are a tad bit long on me. I'm 5'7" for reference, so I'm kind of tall and they're a little long on me. I really do think they disguise the belly line really well. You guys know I'm an apple shape. I carry a lot of weight in my stomach, so one of my big things that I look for when I go to jeans is, does it kind of disguise the belly line? That's like one of the #1 things that I'm looking for. And these do that, and they're also like super, super stretchy. So like, love that. I think they look overall pretty good. They are a little loose kind of in the back area right here around my thigh. But other than that, I think they're really cute. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not, only because I just made an order for jeans from American Eagle. You guys know, if you haven't seen my American Eagle video, I will link that above and then down below for you guys. But I absolutely love their jeans. And just for the fact that I just ordered them, I don't think I'm going to keep these just because, like I said, I just bought a bunch of jeans. And these, I would pay the $69 for these, which it would be $49 with a credit, and I definitely would pay for these because they look really nice. Now, the one thing that I don't like about subscription services, or not subscription, is it a subscription? Like, root style services, you know what I'm trying to say. Is that you can't see how they wear, because, you know, I'm not going to wear these all day and then be like, nah, actually never mind, I'm sending this back. Because jeans can look really cute when you first try them on, they can be the best thing ever, but how do they wear throughout the day? That's like the biggest test of a jean. So that's always why I'm worried about jeans from these kind of places, because I don't really know if these stretch out and look like terrible at, you know, the end of the day. So that is going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Have you tried D&Co? Do you want to? If you have, do you like it better than Stitch Fix? And like, what was your favorite item from this haul? Like, let me know. Let me know all the good things down in the comments below. And I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next one.
It's just a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know this a remedy?